Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update and edit banner images in Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click on Edit Site. Then click on Edit again to open the website editor. This will allow you to make changes directly on your live site. Next, scroll to the section where you want to add or update a banner image. For example, I am going to edit this empty banner section, which is below my header. Click on Edit Section and go to Backgrounds. Click on the plus sign. From here, you can upload an image from your computer, select from your library on Squarespace, or browse from the Squarespace.images or background. For example, let's say I want to select one from the stock images. There you go, library, stock image, or stock background. Select the image that you want. For example, I want to use this one. Then click on Add Image. Wait for a few seconds for the image to load. And it will automatically appear as the banner background. So once the image is added, you can adjust how it appears in the section by editing the focal point. Right here. Click and drag the focal point to reposition the image. There you go. This helps control which part of the image stays visible, especially on different screen sizes. For most images, keeping the focal point on the center works the best. If you want to edit the image itself, click on Edit Image. And from here, you can adjust settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, highlights, and shadow. Make changes based on your preference. For example, I want to change the brightness, add some contrast, and many more. Then click Save. And confirm the changes. So Squarespace will apply the edits directly to your banner image. You can also apply image effects such as grain or other visual styles if you want a specific look. Once everything looks good, make sure to save your changes. So your updated and edited banner image will now be live on your website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.